How to set or change your home and work address in Google Maps. So hey guys, if you want to change your home and work address in Google Maps, then this video is for you. The steps are almost identical for both the Android and iOS devices, and currently I'm using an Android one. So to proceed, the first thing you need to do after opening your Google Maps application is clicking onto your profile picture at the top right corner. Once you will do this, this particular menu will open up, and from here you need to choose the settings option. Then under the settings, you can see this option of edit home or work. So simply click onto the edit home or work, and as here you can see that I have currently not added either of those, so let us try to add them. So the first thing we'll do is for the home option. So simply click onto the home, and then from here you have two options. The first is either you can type your home address manually, and the next option is that you can choose it on the map. So if I click onto this map option, you can see that it is giving me this home icon, and then on the map I can set the home location wherever I want. So for example, let us do it to any place like this, and once you have found your home, you need to click onto this save option, and your home position will be saved like this. And once you are done with this, click onto this done button right here, and here you can see that your home position has been successfully saved. Now let us do the same for the work, and click onto the map again, and then you can choose your work position. So for example, let's choose it to this building right here, and then click onto the save button and click onto the done, and here you can see that both your home and workplaces has been successfully saved in your Google Maps. So that's all for this video. If this video was any help to you, do make sure to give it a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or additionally if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.